Come make some Snickerdoodles with my ESSA. Eggs, crack, hungry-ass cat for dinner.
Add butter.
Wolford watching over me and my mommy. Stir up drugs. Mix, mix, mix. Wolford wanted to help too, adding more crack, mixing and mashing more. Cute pics of the alpha. Mashing more and adding alcohol, vanilla. Yum yum. Old aw hand in the way. Moved away, Wolford, BC. The oven is hotter than fictional men. Lathered the cookies up in cinnamon. Oven time. Fat-ass cookies don't fit in the oven. Now, we watch The Big Bang Theory and wait. Fat-ass yummy cookies. Wolford is very excited to try some. Point 3. They tasted mostly like butter, but were yummy for our first time making them. Anyways, that's all BA.